Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is some skincare. Because it is the summer, I cannot stress this enough how important it is to take care of your skin. I know everyone already knows the whole spiel, but protecting your skin from the sun is extremely important. The first thing that I do before anything in the winter and the summer is put a little bit of sunscreen on. This is just a face stick. It's SPF 60. Just any face sunscreen will work the best. And you can get, you know, really expensive ones, but you really don't. Like, sunscreen is sunscreen. So after I've put on my sunscreen, I also like to put on just any sort of cream. The one that I'm using right now is Rock Pro Correct Anti-Wrinkle Rejuvenation Cream. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is actually using a vitamin C serum on my face. Vitamin C has a lot of benefits for the skin. So this is going to lock everything in place and really protect your skin. The only thing is it takes a little while to absorb. So a good thing to do is to put this on and then go to your eye makeup, and then once your eye makeup is done, you can do your foundation. So that's what I'm gonna do. Everything should be absorbed after that, and then we can do the foundation and it'll sit really nicely and you're protected from the sun because it's summertime and we want to protect our skin. I'm gonna start with a base. I swear by this Makeup Forever full cover concealer. I really think that it sits nicely underneath your makeup, and I think it just, I really like it. So I'm gonna put this on both of my eyes as a nice little base. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a loose powder. I'm using the Peach Perfect by Too Faced. And I'm just gonna pat that in my eye. So today, I don't really have a new eyeshadow palette that I wanna use. I kind of want to use one of the Huda Beauty palettes, but I don't know which one. Maybe I'll do a quick poll for my 100 Instagram followers to see what they want to do. Because I don't know. I think I'm going to do that. We'll see if I get any replies. Okay guys, I'm back. Got a few people that answered, so that's good. So the winner is this one. We're gonna use this one, which I'm happy about because there's a lot of really nice colors in here. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to do a little bit of a light transition color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix two colors from this palette. I'm going to mix Play and Bear, which are these two right here. And I'm just going to tap each one of them and dust off the excess. And boy, there's a lot of excess. And what I'm going to do is focusing on an upward angle. I'm just going to be lightly placing this in the crease. Okay, that's good. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to be using this shadow called Secret down here. All these names are very like raw, tease, teddy, kinky. They're a little crazy, spanked. So yeah, I'm gonna take Secret on this MAC 217S brush. And again, I'm gonna tap it off. The only thing that I really have bad to say about Huda Beauty is dusty. They're very dusty, but that's okay. So for this shade, I'm gonna tap that off. I'm just going to close my eye. Again, I'm going to be holding my brush on a downward angle, and I'm going to start at the outer corner. And lightly blend this in. And make sure you take it with a light hand. You know, you don't need too much. But we can take it in the crease and bring it all the way into the inner corner. We'll fix up the edges a little bit later. They don't need to be, you know, too blended out right now. Okay, so then I'm going to take just a really clean fluffy brush, and I'm going to buff out the harsher edges. Okay, and then you can stop here, honestly. Like, I think that this is pretty, but I'm going to take it a step further, and I'm going to take Raw, which is this nice chestnut with a little bit of a browner tone. These names kill me. And I'm really gonna focus that on my outer corner. So I'm gonna take that fluffy brush again, and this is where I'm going to flick that excess to the outer corner, because then we're going to blend inwards and up in this outer corner. Okay, this is the part where I have trouble stopping. I'm like, what more do I want to use? No, I think that's really pretty. You can go as dark as you want, you can go as light as you want, you can stop there, which I think I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pack a little bit more of the Raw color right in my outer corner with a fluffy brush. So I'm going to be going in with the Damn Girl mascara by Too Faced. It's a new mascara. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Okay, you know what? I can't talk and do this. That's actually crazy how much of a difference that makes. Wow. I almost feel like I don't need lashes for this look. Like, that's pretty. Yeah. I'm gonna use these lashes by Kiss.
Lashes.
They're just really floofy and wispy. And I know it's kind of boring to watch people put on lashes, so I'm going to be back. Okay, I put the lashes on. I really can't tell if I look absolutely crazy. Oh my god, what did I do? What the hell? Oh my god, I look like I have a wonky eye. Okay, you know what? We are gonna redo those. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm having one of those lash days. I'm getting the glue everywhere. I'm getting everything all over the place. The glue's not sticking. It's sticking to my skin. But you know what? Okay. I'm gonna go wash my hands, and then I'm gonna be back, and we're gonna read. We're gonna carry on. Okay, I'm back. I'm still not sure how I feel about these lashes, but we're gonna see it through to the end, and we're gonna make our decision then. So I'm gonna do my brows next, and I'm going to just be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills powder kit. I use it in my freelance kit, and oh my god, you guys. I think I'm having an allergic reaction to that mascara. So if you don't like eyes, look away. Because I just got a piece of that mascara out.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
this is going downhill. The other thing that I will do is just use this little brow gel that I literally get from Shoppers for like $3. Okay, so now we're moving on to the skin. After all of that, it's very exciting. So I'm going to be using an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Thought I'd go with a drugstore product today. This is the Hydrate and Smooth one. This is the color that matches my fake tan the best. So if it looks a little crazy, you don't need to tell me because I already know. I forgot how much I loved using this foundation. This is the foundation that I used to use on all of my clients before I switched over primarily to MAC, and I always really loved it. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is add some concealer, and I'm going to be using, again, the Maybelline Fit Me concealers. I love these, they are the best. I'm gonna be using a mixture of light and fair to get my perfect match. So I'm gonna be using the light color around my nose and right down my nose. Oh goodness. Today I'm actually going to use the Peach Perfect setting powder again, the Too Faced Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. And I'm going to press this into my skin. I'm not going to bake today because I don't want to be super matte. I want to kind of have that glowing skin, which the foundation has done a really good job of doing, but I will do it on my T-zone because that is where I become the most oily, and although we do love a good glow, there's a difference between a shine and a glow. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna use my favorite bronzer. Like, I should just get one of the full sizes at this point, but it's the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Volume 4. Oh, there I am. Ambient Lighting Volume 4. This is the most beautiful bronzer, and if you mix it with a little bit of that highlighter, oh my goodness, I'll show you. So I'm using a very fluffy bronzing brush, and I'm just going to start on the outer. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Look at how good that looks. For my jawline though, I will go in with my angled tart brush and the Shade and Light palette. I will be using just this middle color from it to go right underneath my jawline. And then erase the double chin. So So I'm gonna take a diffusing brush. This is like a Sonia Kashuk one from a really long time. And I'm going to take these two colors. As I said, I literally use this every single day. And I think the colors are perfect. So it gives you this really youthful, beautiful look. And that's all I do. And then I'm gonna go in with that tapered brush and I'm going to go through all three of these colors. I know, I use this thing every single day. And I'm going to go all the way up. That's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna take Honey Love. This is one of my favorites. I'm gonna add a little bit of Please Me by MAC as well. Yeah, so that's much better. I added a little bit of a pinkier shade to that, and then, yeah, I really like this. I'm not gonna keep my hair like this. Obviously, this is a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Oh no, it's been in a bun for way too long. Okay, I'm gonna figure out my hair and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I still don't know what I'm doing with my hair, but that's okay because we're not going on our date for a little bit. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys like it. If you do, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.